Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and welcome to this Wednesday Mini Minute. So today I want to introduce a brand new product for Shatkin F.I.R.S.T and for our customers, and you're going to really like this product. What we have is a PEEK abutment. PEEK is a hard resin material that's made and used in dentistry quite a bit. We've fabricated a PEEK abutment that will snap on to the O Ball mini dental implants, the MDL O Ball implants. Now we have a PEEK abutment that snaps on. No cement. You just snap it on, you can prep it, then you can take your impression like a natural tooth. It has a chamfer margin already built into it, so all you do is snap it on to the implant. Make sure your implant is just buried a little lower than normal. So approximately a quarter of the square should be under the soft tissue. You'll snap that abutment on, it will emerge from the soft tissue, and you'll have an emergence profile tooth. Now what's great about this is you can cement the crown to that PEEK abutment, but you don't have to have any cement to the implant. So if you ever need to remove that crown or a bridge or even a roundhouse bridge, you can simply tap it off with a crown tapper and remove it, and then you can snap it back in. I think you're going to really like this product, and we're launching it right now. So if you're interested in trying it, just give one of our friendly sales reps a call. You're going to love it. Thank you for watching this Mini Minute. I'll see you next time.